Hey guys, I'm Firdausi, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste on all Windows computers. So let's begin. So here I'm on my desktop and see in Notepad I have a basic text, hello. Now to copy a text, first you have to select it using your mouse, highlight it. If you don't have a mouse and using a laptop, you have a touchpad. Using your touchpad, select it or highlight it, and now you can copy. Now to copy, you basically have to press CTRL, which is short for control, and then C together. Control and C. Now you have copied it. To paste it, you basically press the same Control and V instead. Control and V. Now, what if you want to copy a text from a website? Let's say you are reading something like Indian Cooking 101 on the internet. It's basically the same. Using your mouse or touchpad, first you have highlight the text that you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy this part of the text from this website. Now uh, I've selected it by highlighting. While you're on the website, press the same Control and C to copy. And let's say I want to paste it here. You do the same. Control and V to paste it. So Control and C is used to copy and Control and V is used to paste. Now, how do you know if you have copied something or not? Well, when you copy something, it goes to so-called clipboard. Your, to access your clipboard, you basically press the Window key and V together. Window and V. And here it appears, your clipboard. Everything that you have copied goes basically here.